This is a very special 1954 Lincoln Cosmopolitan. Originally owned by the infamous American Carrera Panamericana promoter Loyal Trusedale, it competed in the 1998 and 99 races. Acquired by the current owner as a tired but rust-free car, they would build this into an impressive race car that has competed 11 times in that famous grueling event. We'll tell you much more about this car, but first, let's go for a little ride. The Carrera Panamericana ran from 1950 to 1954. A 2,200-mile open road race in Mexico, this daunting test brought some of the most famous race car drivers of their time to try their hand. Canceled in '55, it was resurrected in 1988. This particular car has been continually developed over 11 race seasons to be a reliable yet comfortable car to compete on those grueling multi-day races. Yet it is much more than a race car. Registered for the road, this car can do it all. In fact, for its first run back in 2005, it completed 6,571 miles, driving to, during, and back from that event. Whether you're looking for a proven competitor for the Carrera Panamericana or simply an amazing car to run any classic multi-day event, this car is the logical choice. With too many modifications to list, I invite you to visit Genau AutoWerks to learn more about this special car.